everybody. Today we're going to start functions, unit 3, fun stuff. And today we're going to talk about functions versus relations. So that is stuff you guys have seen last year, okay? So we're going to go ahead and just, it's kind of like a review day a little bit, kind of easy breezy. But let's go ahead and get started. Meet the vocab word. Man, I had fun with this. Alright, so you got a lot of vocab words that we need to, well, not a lot, we got some. And we got lots of parts of a graph. So this unit we're getting started into the graphs, okay? So, that's a 1. I know it's 1. Alright, so first one is coordinate or Cartesian plane. That is the fancy word for it. Is a plane made by the intersection of a horizontal and vertical axis. Really, it's kind of normal. Then the next one we get is the x-axis, which is the horizontal axis. So if you could please label that on your little graph in the bottom. Okay, so as we get these words, you can label it. Well, let me just tell you what's labeled. So the coordinate plane should be your first blank on that graph picture. And then the x-axis would be the 5th blank. Okay, the next one is the y-axis, which is the vertical axis. That is the last blank on your graph. Okay. The next part is the origin. Let me see if I can find where I put it. There it is. The origin, right in the middle, which is your 4th blank on your graph, is the intersection of the x and y axes. And it's the ordered pair 0, 0. Now, a quadrant is the 4 sections made by the intersection of the x and y axis. So if you see there's 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this first one is the first quadrant. That's why there's that 1 there. So that is your 2nd blank. This one is, I guess this one's your 2nd one, 3rd and 4th. So 2nd is your 3rd blank, 4th one, your 3rd one is your 2nd to last, and then the 4th one is the last to last. And then your origin was your 4th blank, I think I said, but just so you're aware. Okay? I don't know why they're like, anyway. Moving on. Alright, so to page 2. I have your notes in front of me so I can make sure I'm covering everything. Okay? Some more vocab words. Fun things. An ordered pair is this thing, the x and the y, is the placement of a point on the coordinate plane. So we use the x and y coordinates to figure out where on this whole plane. So if you ever played chess, it's kind of like that. Like how you know where a piece goes on the board. But this whole thing is your ordered pair. There's always going to be 2 numbers. Okay, one is the x number and one's the y number. So the x part is called the x coordinate or the abscissa. I can never pronounce it. Abscissa, whatever. You rarely hear that word, but that's the official word for it. It is the x value of the ordered pairs. And then the y-coordinate, or ordinate, is the y value of the ordered pair. Okay? So, and you can go ahead and label them, because this whole thing, the whole thing is called an ordered pair. Okay, this part is the x-coordinate, and this part is the y-coordinate. So you can label it. Fun stuff! Alright, now, more vocab. A relation is a set of ordered pairs. Here's an example. Okay, sets are always used with braces, so whenever we're talking about a set, we use braces. Okay, a set must be in braces, so you just list the ordered pairs. Cool. And then a function is a specific kind of relation, so it's still a set of ordered pairs, but it follows a specific rule and says that every x value is matched with only one y value. Okay? So it asks, is this a function? Well, let's look at it. Look at the x values. You got a 9, a -3, and a 1. 9 is only matched with 8, -3 is only matched with 4, and 1 is only matched with 2. So this is a function. Okay? So, what ordered pair can we add to this that would make this set not a function? Okay? Well, let's first think, what ordered pair can we add to it that would still make it a function? Okay? If we did some different x, okay, like 2, we could add in a 2 comma something, like 2 comma 2. That would add in there. The x value of 2 only matches with a 2. It's okay that the y values repeat. It's not okay if the x values repeat. So to make it a non-function, we would want to pick one of these x values to repeat. So like -3 comma 1. Now the -3 is going to both the 4 and to the 1, which is not okay. Alright? Other ways to show relation is mapping, a table, and a graph. So mapping are these like circly things. Like I call them bubbles. So it's a circle, and the x values are always in the first one, and the y values are always in the second one. And there's an arrow that points to which one's matched to which. Table is pretty straightforward. Okay, just list your x and y's, and then the graph, plotting the points on the graph. Okay? The vertical line test is basically how we tell if a graph is a function, because instead of listing out all the ordered pairs, there's a picture of it. So what we do is we draw a vertical line through each point, and if there's only one point on the vertical line, then it is a function, because there's only one point that has that x value then. Okay? Alright, so the last page, this was very quick for you, wasn't it? Your last page, and my last bit of work, is trying to figure out if these are functions or not. So remember, functions have no repeating x values. So that's what you're looking for on all three of these problems. Well, kind of showed you that already. Alright? So that's what you're going to be looking for on these three to tell if they're functions or not. That's all I got for you. It's a pretty quick video. It's a lot of word and vocabulary. Sorry. But it's pretty easy. Alright? If you have any questions, write them down. We'll answer them in class. Otherwise, I will see you next class. Okay? Bye.